To lead a Department of Agriculture that helps unlock the potential of a 21st century agricultural economy, I can think of no one better than Tom Vilsack. That the policies being shaped at the Departments of Agriculture and Interior are designed to serve not big agribusiness or Washington influence peddlers, but family farmers and the American people. That's the kind of leadership embodied by Ken Salazar and Tom Vilsack.
Thomas Vilsack, Obama's appointed Secretary of Agriculture, served 3 terms as Mount Pleasant, Iowa's mayor, and later became the state's governor. Since 2005, he's chaired the Democratic Leadership Council, a group largely funded by military contractors, oil companies, and other corporate interests. The Democratic Leadership Council drafts policy reports and supports biotechnology research and development. Not surprisingly, Vilsack has demonstrated a clear preference for large industrial farms and genetically modified crops. As the governor of Iowa, he originated the 2005 seed preemption bill, blocking local communities from regulating where GM crops can be grown. The Organic Consumers Association and Greenpeace worked tirelessly together to prevent Vilsack from being appointed head of the USDA. 100,000 emails were sent to Obama's staff, urging the president to reconsider, but to no avail. There are many reasons to be concerned about Tom Vilsack heading the USDA. The USDA is an organization whose mission statement includes providing leadership on food and agriculture that is based on sound public policy and the best available science. In 2001, Vilsack was named Governor of the Year by the biggest biotechnology industry group in America. He also founded the Governor's Biotechnology Partnership, an alliance between biotech companies and 13 governors from America's Farm Belt. As governor of Iowa, Vilsack lobbied for Transova, a company dedicated to bovine genetic improvement and cloning, to build a lab in his state. After a short run for presidency in 2007, he also worked as an attorney for a corporate law firm that represented food giants ConAgra and Cargill. Vilsack's record of favoring industrial agriculture and the genetic modification of crops is significant in the face of a 2008 report on the use of agricultural technology to meet the world's food needs. The report, called the International Assessment of Agricultural Knowledge, Science, and Technology for Development, or IAASTD, was commissioned by the World Bank and the United Nations and involved the research of over 400 scientists and 30 governments. It is described as the single largest research effort on this topic in human history and the most authoritative statement on current knowledge. The report's findings rejected modern biotechnology as the key to solving the world's food crisis and found questionable evidence for the benefits of genetically modified crops. Agroecological and organic farming methods were found to be competitive or even superior to current industrial farming methods, which, the report asserts, have degraded the natural resource base on which human survival depends.
Robert Watson is the director of the report.
I think some of our conclusions on trade are likely to be controversial and not everyone will agree with them. Some of our findings on agrochemicals or elements of biotechnology will not necessarily have agreement by everybody.
Many in the public and private sector believe that Africa's future depends on biotechnology. Some crops can be bred or genetically engineered to better resist disease or drought, valuable traits in a warming climate. But we still don't know how GMOs will alter biodiversity, ecosystem function, or affect human health. We do know corporate control of seeds can undermine the livelihoods of small-scale farmers. Will emphasis on high-cost research come at the expense of needed low-cost solutions?
Agribusiness and biotechnology giants Syngenta and Monsanto resigned from their participation in the project after their inability to gain support for genetically modified crops. The Pesticide Action Network reports that the United States rejected the IAASTD's findings, which present an inconvenient truth for Washington and the industrial agricultural establishment. The Obama administration continues to ignore the findings of the comprehensive, peer-reviewed IAASTD study as it aligns itself with policies that favor industrial agriculture and the genetic modification of our food. Again, the USDA is an organization that promises to provide leadership using the best available science. Can we trust Vilsack to embrace the cutting-edge scientific findings of the IAASTD and to implement the big change that it recommends? Or will he advocate for and shape policies in accordance with his sympathetic stance toward big agribusiness and agricultural biotechnology?